How to share your location on Snapchat with only one person. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to discuss how we can share our location on Snapchat only with one particular person, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to share your location on Snapchat only with one particular person, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all make sure that you have enabled location on your phone, by the way, and after you've done that you can open the Snapchat application and then make sure to tap the snap map icon that you can find here. Now first of all, what I want you to do is you need to tap the gear icon here and you need to enable ghost mode. What this does is that ghost mode is basically going to actually disable your location from other people over here. Now after you've disabled your ghost mode as well as your active location as well, you can turn off both of these. Now next thing comes about how to share it only with one person. Now after this, what you want to do is just head over to any chat, and then let's say that you want to send them your location. Come to this profile page, scroll down, and you'll find the option called sharing live location. So you can just go ahead and then tap the share my live location option and share it only with those people. This way you can share your location on Snapchat only with one person. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.